What's up, everybody? I'm back on the Corvette. Last video I did the power steering rack rebuild. That's all done. So now I am back on putting this body back together. So I wanted to take this outside today, but it's going to rain. I don't have that much space in here to open up these doors. The doors are pretty big. So I wanted to take this outside to have some more space to put the headliner and interior stuff back in. But I guess I'm not going to be able to do that today. So the headliner is out. I haven't shown you guys what we did with that yet. But the interior is out. The doors are still apart because I have not put these pieces for the window back on those moldings. So I'm going to try to get some of that stuff done today. The back end, like I said, is pretty much wrapped up. Obviously, the fuel door is out of here. The wheel shields are still out. But the body panels are pretty much all good. So I wanted to get the interior, the doors, everything from, you know, the doors back all set. That way I can just worry about doing the fenders, the hood, the bumper, headlights, all that stuff. So I'm going to be working on getting some of the odds and ends back here all set and done. Got to do this molding. And like I said, the interior was the big thing that I don't know if I'll get to today, if I want to try to do this with it in the garage here like this. But I will keep you guys updated and show you guys what I got going on. Well, I thought I was going to put the interior back together next, but because I just did the steering rack and the car's up in the air, no wheels on it and stuff, I went ahead and decided I'm going to put the front end together. That way I don't have to move the car. Like I said, I don't have that much room in here with the swinging the doors open and everything. So I have both fenders on, relatively lined up, obviously just to the doors. Not really sure until I put the hood on how much more I'm gonna have to adjust, but you guys can see how the color looks. And what I've done is I've sanded with 1500, 2000 grit, and then the 3000 grit Trizac on the DA, and I'm gonna buff it now. So both fenders are sanded down and ready to be buffed. There really wasn't much dirt at all in the fenders. A couple little spots, so really just taking the texture out and making sure that it's flat to match the rest of the car. So I'm gonna go ahead, buff those up. Both the fenders. I'm not going to do the hood on the car because I obviously would not be able to reach the center of the hood when I go to buff it. So I'm going to buff that off the car and then throw that on, get the headlights in. I got to buff those caps on those also, the covers. But with the car sitting up here without the wheels on and stuff, I figured I might as well put the front end together. The doors have been adjusted to the quarters and everything, so I really shouldn't have to move anything else once I put everything together, and it gives an opportunity to put all the wheel shields in, you know, everything else while the front end's up in the air. So that is my little update for now. So I'm gonna go ahead, get the fenders buffed up. The fenders are so small, it's really not gonna take long to do. I'll probably knock that out pretty quickly and then just keep moving on. So it's starting to look more like a Corvette every day. Once I put the hood and like the headlight covers on, even without the front bumper, it's gonna start, you know, really looking good. So I'm gonna go ahead, get that going and update you guys when I'm done. All right, guys. So as you can see, this thing is a lot more together. I sanded and buffed the hood, the fenders are done, the headlights are on here, and I have been working on aligning this front end for probably 2 days now. If you guys have worked on these C5 Corvettes, there's only 600 different things to line up. You have obviously the fender and the hood. You have 2 latches on the back of the hood. Then they throw the headlights in here, and the lines are on the headlights, how they open up, all that stuff. So I have been working on getting the lines on this as good as possible. And, you know, for what it is, I think it actually looks pretty good now. I don't think that there's going to be anything that anybody notices about it that they don't like. Obviously, there are a couple things maybe that I don't particularly like that much, but in the end, no one's going to really be looking as closely as I am. And I think everything looks pretty good. So this has been quite a process. The hood closes, opens good. I did paint the back side of this just real quick to get it all blue. Obviously it was silver. Yeah, so everything is up here looking pretty good. The hood looks pretty good, all buffed out and everything. So I'm gonna continue putting this thing together. All right, the hood closes good. But yeah, I'm gonna continue putting this together. I'm gonna get the front bumper put together. I have to sand and buff that out. I'm just gonna sand and buff the top of it where it goes up against the hood. I'm not gonna do down below where no one's gonna see. So, and then once I get all that stuff, you know, the front bumper on, like I said, it's kind of nice that the front wheels and everything were off. It's up in the air. So I'm gonna get the front bumper on, and that means that every single body panel is on and lined up and good. Still haven't done the interior yet. Splash shields, wheel shields, front and rear aren't done. Fuel door is not done yet. But I figured that since it's up here, like I said before, I'm gonna get the whole body, all the body stuff all done. So it's looking good. Hopefully in the next day I can get the front bumper on. That really shouldn't take that long. I got to put it together, but there's really not much to the front bumper. So good update. And then once the front end's all together, then I'll be able to bring it outside, put the interior back together. Because like I said, these doors, I don't have space in here. So I don't want to hit the doors on anything and walk around the doors. So once I can bring it outside and not have anything in the way, I'll do the interior. And it might be done relatively soon. So I hope you guys, you know, like what you're seeing. I think it looks pretty good. I really love this blue. So I'm going to continue on and I will update you once I get the front bumper together and stuff.